Ever noticed how an ambulance siren sounds higher as it approaches? And lower as it moves away? That's not your ears playing tricks, it's called the Doppler effect. As the ambulance moves toward you, the sound waves get compressed so the pitch rises. As it moves away, the waves stretch and the pitch drops. This is the same reason stars moving away from Earth appear red. Red shift is the Doppler effect in space. So next time you hear that weird siren shift, remember, it's not just noise. It's physics in motion. Brain emoji. Want more brain fizzing facts like this? Hit subscribe to CurioSpark for daily 40-second wonders.